program analysis after that, then so which have also what's the name? So up next would be, so with all of this data gathered, all the research that we have conducted, we are now moving to floor plan. So develop your floor plan. I'm giving this sample time, which will be due on February 6th. So that's Thursday next week. So 2 weeks, basically from now. No? 2 weeks ba? 1 week? Is it 2 weeks or 1 week? Sige. I'll give you, the succeeding week would be after February 6th on a Monday lang, kung sa may day, after Thursday.
After February 6th?
Yes, Monday.
Then?
Okay. Sige. 10 lang, ilan na ito pa after Valentine's Day. Okay, so floor plan, this is a formal drawing, you can do it digital na. Okay? And our target is really, again, focused concept or vernacular. So when we speak of vernacular, we can always recall these types of group to be regarded as Filipino in nature. So whatever direction you are going, be it modern, Mediterranean, based on your concept, incorporate roof with this kind. Okay? So there are hybrid form. This is the simplest form, but you can create combo depending on your floor plan configuration. And of course, you have to visualize the effects of that perspective-wise in the finished product. So I would appreciate, you can create combinations of this that would reflect, of course, Filipino architecture. Review the works of Manyosa, Winsaligo. So they are good examples of getting classic concept Filipino, and Winsaligo being the younger Filipino advocate, Filipino architecture advocate, usually gearing into modern combinations. So with the two examples, I hope you can get your own perspective with respect to your planning. Alright? So, and then this will include all the plans involved in your proposal, be it one structure or be it multiple structure. Okay? So that's February 10. Okay? And then succeeding to that, we'll go back to 1 week deadline. Okay, after that, we'll do elevation section, and then after all the elevation sections, we will proceed to site development plan. So it's becoming more or less visible, with clarity expected in your output with that level of design process. And of course, along the way, each level of the design process, you may review what has been submitted already to resolve issues, conflicts. Di man dyan na perfect. Namin may ma-discover ko nag-clash man siya sa ako ang concept. If you're talking about the paper, or nag-clash man siya sa akong orthographic projection, nag-clash po. Okay? So kana. In addition, halfway through the semester, I might require you to have a scale model for either of the two projects to be submitted at final stage. Dili pang midterm ang scale model, pang present siya sa oral defense. So, present mo in the finals with scale model. Again, if you recall, I did told the class that you can choose what plate you will be presenting for defense. Would be plate number 1 or would it be plate number 2? Kamoy mo decide. Okay? Any clarification? Na-clarify, yes.
Dapat roof plan nila.
Yes, appeal ang roof plan. Ana. But roof plan, you can integrate it in the site depth. Dako matag papel. So, mabuhat mo site depth, roof plan ay pakita rin. So, pwede ra isa naka-presentation. And then, kay kung man, naaman sa, di ba, I required the lot utilization data in site analysis. So, in the site depth, dili na kinahanglan inuta. Katong yun, full site depth yun nga with landscape, rendered, roof. Kung sa makita sa baba, mo di ma-reflect sa site depth with all the setbacks, technical data, katong adjacency, information, all sides of the lot, and okay. Any other clarification? Yes.
So for that survey, appeal na mong submit it for an site them.
Not yet. Not yet. Pag-plan sa mo, like kung one structure ka, imuhang i-submit nga sa kuan, sa floor plan, pwede na incorporate ang outline sa roof. Like imaginary line ba? Or if you want it to be visible, you can have it, the roof plan, a smaller scale than the plan, just for me to see the profile of your roof. No? And may uban, combination of shed or flat roof with deep, depende kung saan mo abot. And of course, I'm always here for that consultation because one part of the training process, the very reason that I included this as part of the requirement is for you to learn how to form and plan hip type roof. No, tayo upan. Mostly, this generation don't know how to construct hip roof. Kaya, what comes to mind readily is flat roof. It's a challenge on a flat roof. Nindot man siya, but then maybe it's not trending now because most of the design are modern. But you have to learn that for the purpose of comprehension, so that when a project during your OJT will be given in this kind of roof, kabalo mo, no? Mamre purpose, wala man mo gilisod-lisod. Lisod yun na siya. At na ako rin tabang for that. Okay, when you create your plan, you cannot predict if it's really rectangle or square. Naman siya yung mga iskina-skina. No? Don't allow yourself to think that I will do this square or rectangle para makalihay ko ang limahan. No, so the mindset should be whatever goes functionally in the plan, you should do it, and then let's resolve the issue that may arise with that kind of form. No, nara ko mo entertain ako ninyo ana. So that's the very purpose nga nung ako diri. Okay? Napay lain clarification. Any other concerns? Okay, so without yes.
So pwede na siya digital and manual or solid digital?
You can have it hybrid. Basta I'm allowing you now a little consideration of your knowledge whether you do it full digital or hybrid. Using SketchUp, when you use SketchUp for the modeling, it's easier for you to evaluate than looking at, like for example, you're working on a plan. It's not done yet, but you have the boundaries. Then, you might have some issues about the roof. O pamahaman ng floor plan, pwede naman ka mag-SketchUp model so that you can visualize the result of your floor plan. No, not necessarily a home loan, do not for you to exercise check and balance whether your floor plan and your roof would align. So that is given to you. But for those who want to use manual all the way, I have no problem with that as well. Okay? So pwede rasan mo. So you have the better it's an option of choosing what to present. The question lang, I don't know how deep you are already engaging AutoCAD, if you do AutoCAD or if you do SketchUp, because there are those who do AutoCAD don't know how to scale their drawings. Anak, problema sa anak. So, you have to make a layout out of your AutoCAD because you are working in a model. The scale is not determined yet. So, you need to be careful that what you present as your submitted paper should be on scale. Now, I did not also dictate the scale that you use. That will be based on the size of the paper and, well, bigger scale, better clarity. Okay? And this should include furniture layout. No? So that's why you need to know the offices, the furnitures within, the people working in the office, so that you can design proper furniture. Okay, what else? Napay pangutana. Nasig na ako yung mag-discuss. Okay, so for the time being, so let's settle for that for now because you have an output to submit. Okay, thank you. Ako lang